Guess the farm animal's shadow. Are you ready? Let's start. What animal is this? Ostrich. What animal is this? Cow. What animal is this? Goat. What animal is this? Pig. What animal is this? Sheep. What animal is this? Duck. What animal is this? Chicken. What animal is this? Rabbit. What animal is this? Peacock. What animal is this? Camel. What animal is this? Donkey. What animal is this? Mouse. What animal is this? Pigeon. What animal is this? Cat. What animal is this? Dog. What animal is this? Horse. What animal is this? Buffalo. What animal is this? Goose. What animal is this? Quail. What animal is this? Flamingo. Excellent, you are very good. See you in the next video. Like, share and subscribe.